What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, we're in a slightly different environment now. Recently moved, changed careers, changed jobs, changed places where I lived. We got a garage now, which is freaking awesome. But with all that change going on, we're still making videos for you guys. And today, we are going to be washing the truck. It is absolutely filthy. We got bugs everywhere. We got dirt and grime, and she's been through a lot. And we need to clean her up, we need to treat her right. All right, so here's what we're working with. Picked this up from Walmart, little turtle wax, Max Power car wash, about $4. This was like $3. These to dry off were like $3. So kind of built my own car washing kit right here. There's a lot of them. It's really the reason I built my own is because there were so many different options for like these massive $80, $100 car cleaning kits on the internet, and I was like, I just want like a basic soap, you know, wash for the outside of my truck. So I picked this up. So this will also be a little bit of a review to show you guys how the Turtle Wax Max Power car wash actually works. So let's jump into it. Okay guys, so we got some good news and we got some bad news. The good news is that the truck is finished and it looks amazing. The bad news is that during the process of trying to film this project for you guys, the tripod fell over and my camera smashed into a million pieces and is broken. So a lot of the footage got completely corrupted and was not salvageable. Some of the before footage was salvageable, and so I filmed a little bit of after stuff on my iPhone, which is what I'm using to record this right now. The truck looks amazing. The soap, for only costing $4, did an awesome job in my truck. In my opinion, it looks awesome. So I am going to show you guys the before and the after stuff. I'm gonna have to work on getting a new camera. Hopefully I can just buy a new lens for my existing camera. Hopefully the body of the camera isn't shot, but that's the situation that I'm working with right now. So thank you guys so much for watching. In the next video, we're gonna be actually installing a new grill on this truck. So hopefully I'll have my new camera by then, because the new grill I think should get here maybe tomorrow. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching, and we'll show you guys the before and the after shots of the truck right now. Thanks for watching, enjoy.